pwede ba yung retrenchment na implement ng company, pagbayad ng separation pay, yung mga empleyadong affected, babayaran niya yung iba ng 1/2 month per year of service, yung iba naman 1 month per year of service, no? In my view, hindi maganda kasi in a retrenchment to prevent losses, ang pinaka-nature dyan na ang retrenchment is necessary, no, to prevent yung pagkalugi ng kumpanya ng tuluyan, ano? So it's a reversal of fortune, and the retrenchment program is to cut cost. So pag pinasobrahan niya yung bayad niya sa requirement ng Article 28 of the Labor Code, di ibig sabihin may pera. Kung may pera ka, bakit ka nag-retrench, no? So requirements ng retrenchment sa ilalim ng Supreme Court decision is dapat merong proof na retrenchment is necessary. May notice sa empleyado 1 month before, so only 1 month before at payment of separation pay. Pag may losses, kailangan mo mag-show ng FS dyan, ano? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan tama yung narrative ng kumpanya in implementing retrenchment.